Are you over 60 and secretly worried that your best walking days are behind you? Do your legs ache, feel heavy, or tire out faster than they used to, leaving you feeling less confident with every step? What if I told you that the secret to rebuilding muscle, regaining your balance, and walking with renewed strength isn't found in expensive supplements or exhausting workouts, but in 3 simple soothing teas you can make right in your kitchen? Stay with me, because in this video, we're uncovering these ancient remedies, backed by modern science, that could completely transform how you move and feel, giving you back the freedom to enjoy life on your own terms. You absolutely do not want to miss the surprising bonus ingredient I'll reveal at the end, which is a game changer for circulation and fighting muscle fatigue. Ginger turmeric tea, your daily dose of anti-inflammatory power and enhanced circulation. A warm, comforting cup of ginger turmeric tea can be a true revelation for older adults seeking stronger legs and a natural energy boost. If you've noticed your legs feeling heavy or find yourself winded after climbing a few stairs, this delightful tea might quickly become a cherished daily ritual. The power of this particular blend lies in its 2 primary ingredients: ginger and turmeric, both renowned for their potent anti-inflammatory properties. When combined, these roots not only create a wonderfully soothing flavor, but also actively work to alleviate the inflammation that often leads to sore joints, stiffness, and muscle fatigue. For many, it's not just weak muscles holding them back, but also the persistent aching and swelling that can follow even light physical activity. Ginger turmeric tea directly addresses the root of this discomfort, helping to calm the internal fire that contributes to these issues. Beyond inflammation, ginger contains natural compounds called gingerols, which research indicates can significantly improve blood circulation. Consider your legs as diligently working engines. They require a consistent supply of oxygen-rich blood to maintain strength and efficiently repair themselves after the rigors of daily use. When circulation becomes sluggish, muscles are deprived of essential nutrients, leading to fatigue and a feeling of unsteadiness. Regular consumption of ginger tea can gently yet effectively boost blood flow, making your legs feel more vibrant and each step more assured. Turmeric, with its vibrant golden hue, contains curcumin, a compound celebrated for its remarkable ability to combat inflammation, safeguard muscles from breakdown, and support recovery after physical exertion. If you experience popping knees or lingering soreness after a short walk, curcumin can help soothe these symptoms. As inflammation subsides, your muscles are finally free to perform their vital functions, stabilizing your body, providing support, and powering every movement. Moreover, this tea offers a subtle, gentle energy boost that differs significantly from the sharp jolt and subsequent crash associated with coffee. Ginger naturally supports your metabolism, enhancing your body's efficiency in converting food into usable energy. Instead of feeling sluggish post-lunch or needing an afternoon nap, you might notice increased alertness and motivation, perhaps even inspiring you to take that short walk or engage in simple leg stretches you've been putting off. Preparing this beneficial tea at home is remarkably simple. You'll need a few slices of fresh ginger root, about a teaspoon of ground turmeric or fresh if available, and hot water. Allow it to steep for approximately 10 minutes. A crucial tip for maximizing benefits is to add a pinch of black pepper, which significantly enhances the absorption of curcumin by your body. Sweeten with a touch of honey or a squeeze of lemon if desired. While some individuals report noticeable improvements in just a few days, for others, it may take a couple of weeks, but consistency is paramount. A single cup daily, particularly in the morning, can profoundly impact how your legs feel and your overall energy levels throughout the day. This age-old remedy has been a staple in traditional Indian households for generations, used to maintain joint flexibility and ease everyday aches. Even contemporary athletes, such as NBA player Stephen Curry, have incorporated turmeric into their recovery routines. While you don't need to train like a professional athlete, incorporating this tea into your daily life can offer your muscles and joints a similar kind of gentle yet powerful support. So, if you are genuinely committed to strengthening your legs, reducing discomfort, and naturally uplifting your energy, ginger turmeric tea is an accessible and enjoyable starting point. Generated image November 18, 2025, 8:23 a.m. PNG. Ginseng green tea, recharging your body and mind for lasting stamina. Next, let's explore the truly revitalizing benefits of ginseng green tea. If you've been experiencing persistent fatigue, feeling your legs give out midway through the day, or struggling to find the motivation to stay active, this tea could be precisely what your body needs. Ginseng green tea acts as a gentle yet powerful wake-up call for your entire system, invigorating your muscles, sharpening your mind, and especially revitalizing tired legs. This unique blend combines 2 incredibly potent plants. First, green tea, celebrated for its abundance of antioxidants and natural energy-boosting compounds. Second, Ginseng, a revered root used for centuries in traditional medicine to combat fatigue, build strength, and restore overall vitality. Ginseng's remarkable ability to support your legs stems from its adaptogenic power, meaning it helps your body effectively manage stress. It might not seem obvious, but the aging process itself imposes daily stress on muscles and joints. Ginseng helps to mitigate this internal stress, building resilience within your body so your legs don't feel like they're constantly working against you. Furthermore, research indicates that ginseng can significantly enhance muscle performance and endurance. It enables your muscles to utilize oxygen more efficiently, leading to improved stamina and reduced tiredness. Picture yourself moving around your home, confidently climbing stairs, or running errands without feeling completely drained afterwards. That's the profound difference ginseng can make over time. When paired with green tea, these benefits are amplified. Green tea is rich in catechins, powerful antioxidants that actively combat free radicals in your muscles and joints. This is crucial because free radicals cause cellular damage over time, making your legs feel older than they truly are. Regular green tea consumption supports your body's natural repair mechanisms, helping your muscles remain stronger and your joints feel more capable. Unlike coffee, which can cause energy spikes followed by crashes, green tea provides a smooth, sustained energy lift thanks to L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes calmness while enhancing alertness. Add ginseng to this, and you get a steady, long-lasting boost in both physical and mental energy. The mental boost is particularly significant. When your mind feels sharper and more energized, you are naturally more inclined to move. This increased motivation translates to more frequent use of your legs, which in turn gradually rebuilds their strength. In essence, ginseng green tea not only fuels your body but also ignites the mindset necessary to stay active. Preparing this tea at home is straightforward. Boil a cup of water, then let it cool slightly to avoid scalding. Steep a green tea bag for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add a few thin slices of ginseng root or about a quarter teaspoon of dried ginseng powder. Allow it to steep for another 5 minutes. You can add a touch of honey or a squeeze of lemon for enhanced flavor if desired. This delicious, energizing cup provides strength that is friendly to your legs. For optimal results, drink it daily. It's not a quick fix, but rather a gentle, consistent habit that steadily improves your energy, balance, and mobility over time. Studies published in the American Journal of Chinese Medicine have shown that older adults who regularly consumed ginseng experienced improved lower body strength and reduced fatigue during daily activities. Beyond scientific research, well-known figures like actor Jackie Chan in his 70s have credited ginseng tea as part of their wellness routines for maintaining physical prowess in demanding roles. If someone of that age can sustain such high levels of activity, consider the gentle yet significant boost it can provide for your everyday walks, stair climbs, or light exercises. If you are weary of feeling sluggish and aspire to feel sharper, more mobile, and more in control of your energy, ginseng green tea merits a permanent place in your routine. It is more than just a drink, it is a daily step towards a healthier, stronger you.